With Excel VBA you can automate tasks in Excel by writing so-called macros. In this video, learn how to create a simple macro which will be executed after clicking on a command button. First, turn on the Developer tab. To turn on the Developer tab, execute the following steps. Right-click anywhere on the ribbon, and then click Customize the ribbon. Under Customize the ribbon, on the right side of the dialog box, select Main tabs, if not selected. Check the Developer checkbox. Click OK. You can find the Developer tab next to the View tab. To place a command button on your worksheet, execute the following steps. On the Developer tab, click Insert. In the ActiveX Controls group, click Command button. Drag a command button on your worksheet. To assign a macro to the command button, execute the following steps. Right-click Command button 1, make sure Design mode is selected. Click View Code. The Visual Basic Editor appears. Place your cursor between private sub command button 1 _ click and end sub. Add the code line as shown. The window on the left with the names Sheet 1 and this workbook is called the Project Explorer. If the Project Explorer is not visible, click View, Project Explorer. If the code window for Sheet 1 is not visible, click Sheet 1. Close the Visual Basic Editor. Deselect Design mode. Click the Command button on the sheet. You should see Hello text within cell A1. Congratulations! You've just created a macro in Excel. If you like to open the Visual Basic Editor, on the Developer tab, click Visual Basic. The Visual Basic Editor appears. That's all for the first video. Hope you enjoyed it. Now you can continue with the next steps.